Are fake products infringing on your utility patent? Let me show you the exact steps to get them removed. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you a pro tip so you can find an attorney in the US for a great price. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So we're talking about Amazon's Patent Evaluation Express, short for APEX. Now this is where you utilize your utility patent to get counterfeits removed for good on Amazon. And by removed, I mean their entire account suspended so you don't see them ever again. Plus they're going to lose a significant amount of money. So you can look into this program, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down into simple terms. And this is how APEX works because we've done it so many times. So you submit your counter infringement. Amazon's then going to ask you for $4,000. You're going to give it to Amazon, and Amazon's going to put it in escrow. Amazon's then going to know you're serious, and they're going to ask the competitor that you're submitting your infringement to for $4,000 as well. If they do not put up $4,000, you instantly win. You get all of your money back. They get kicked off of Amazon. That's best case. Now, let's say they do put up the $4,000. Now you have to tell Amazon why they are violating your utility patent. And they have to prove why they are not violating the utility patent. Then there's going to be a neutral evaluator, which is a US attorney, and they're going to decide who's the winner. If you win, you get all your money back, and they get kicked off of Amazon. If you lose, they stay on Amazon, and you do not get your money back. So that's pretty much how it works. So you're pretty much putting at risk around $4,000. If there's an error, if there's an error and you say, "Oops, I submitted something wrong. There's a mistake," then usually what happens is they'll only charge you $500. So if there's a mistake, aka you put the patent number in wrong and you put your $4,000 up and you're like, "Oops, I put the wrong patent," then it'll only cost $500. But usually it's going to cost around $4,000. This is how to do it. So I'm going to give you an example and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this video. And let's say this is your item right here, and then this is your competitor right here. What we're going to do now is try to figure out, okay, what's our utility patent and what claim number are they violating? So we can look and we can say, okay, here's our patent. And if it has the letter D in it, it's usually considered a design patent, as you can see. So we do not want to utilize design patents. This is only for US utility patents. So if yours has a D in it, triple check. And let's just say that this is our patent. It doesn't have the letter D in it, so most likely it's not a design patent. It is a utility patent. Make sure it's already approved, it's active, and you can utilize this. After this, you're going to look at the counterfeit and you're going to say, okay, what claim number are they violating? You can only pick one claim number. So let's say that it's claim number 3. They're violating the nasal lavage device, and it's pretty much this is what they're violating. This is the best claim. Let's just pretend. Now what we're going to do after we have all of that is we're going to go to brandregistry.amazon.com. If you don't have this, you can create an account and just file your trademark. After you do that, you'll be able to report a violation. You're going to go to that counterfeit and you're going to copy their ASIN. This is their internal Amazon code. It starts with B as in boy. You're going to copy that. You're going to paste that right here and click search. After that, you're going to report the entire listing for patent infringement. Once you're done that, you're going to say it's a utility patent. You're going to put your brand name in here. You're going to copy your patent number. So let's go to the top and copy that over. Then you're going to provide more information. So let's get the ASIN again, and we're just going to say, Dear Amazon, ASIN is violating my utility patent, specifically claim number, and you're going to put claim number 3, which says this. All right, so that's pretty solid. That's enough for right now. The evaluator is going to ask you for more information and actually have you fill out a special document. But pretty much what you're going to do is click none of these, and then you're going to apply for Apex. You're going to put your patent expiration date. You're going to put your claim number. Again, you can only enter one claim number, so make sure your claim number is the best one that you can do to defend against this counterfeit. And then you put the name of any corporate parents, subsidiaries, or other entities related to the patent owner. After that, you're going to submit it. It is going to take around 2 to 4 weeks to get a reply. You can monitor it in your monitor submission history tab and triple check all that info. That's pretty much the whole process of Apex. What's usually going to happen is you're going to receive an email with the same email you signed up with Brand Registry, or the same email that you reported it. And you're going to get an email on where to send the $4,000. Once you send the $4,000, it's game on. Amazon's going to ask the competitor for the $4,000. They don't send it, they get kicked off. If they do send it, then Amazon's going to assign an attorney in the US that's going to stand as the neutral evaluator. After that, the neutral evaluator is going to say, okay, why should they get removed? You're going to supply that. Then they can retaliate. And after that, the neutral patent attorney is going to pick a winner. So that's pretty much it. You'll get your $4,000 back if you win. If you lose, you won't. If there's an error, it's usually going to cost $500. But pretty much just say that there's $4,000 on the line. And the next step for staying toward the end of the video, we have the way to get a patent attorney for a great price, and that's to go to Fiverr. So you can go to patent attorney, and then what you do is you go to seller details and you make sure that they're a US patent attorney. So you can say that the seller lives in the US. The great part about this is there's a lot of attorneys in the US that want to make an extra buck or two, and that's where Fiverr comes in. The best part about Fiverr is if they don't do a good job, you could potentially dispute it via Fiverr and get all of your money back. Now, if you go directly to an attorney, you know they could probably take all your money and you can't dispute anything. So this is a great way. You can also check the reviews here. So let's check let's check this girl. Are you seeking to safeguard? Yeah, so you can reach out to them and see if they're an actual attorney right now, and you can see that she's from the United States. Her average response time is 1 hour, which is actually pretty insane. She only speaks English. That's a good sign. Again, member since 2024. She's newer. She probably just wants to make a couple extra bucks. So you could hire her and then contact her and say, look, this is what I'm going over. Can you go over my claim number? Can you help me with this process? How much is it going to cost? And maybe she'll give you a really, really good discount because she wants a 5-star review on Fiverr. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. And if you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help selling on Amazon or anything regarding Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. This is what we specialize in, everything Amazon, especially our #1 service, where we'll go through your account, remove all the fakes. We'll also look at your account and do an audit, create a phase plan, increase your sales internationally, and make sure that your sales and account are properly maintained. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description for more. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.